Blackrock is at it again, but this time it is very different. Do you all remember when Pepe skyrocketed in price back at the first launch of the Blackrock Bitcoin ETF? Now there is massive buying volume on crypto ETF, and it could cause Pepe to go on another 1000% run. So if you have any interest in Pepe, or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 1st of October, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 1,088 units, with 5 zeros. Pepe's price is down 1% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.9 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $4.5 billion, ranking it as the 27th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to the Pepe news, it's important we cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Bitcoin ETF record $61 million inflows. ETH ETF experienced $823,000 in outflows. US spot Bitcoin ETF marked an 8-day streak of positive inflows on September 30 after recording net inflows worth $61.30 million. The 8-day positive streak commenced on September 19 with $158 million in inflows before peaking on September 27 with a daily total net inflow of about $500 million. Blackrock's IBIT tops the chart with $72.15 million in inflows. Only Blackrock and Fidelity funds registered positive flows on September 30. According to Live ETF data from SasuValue, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF registered the most inflows, worth $72.15 million. The fund also recorded inflows worth $110 million on September 27 and has been on a positive streak since September 23. Fidelity's ETF FBTC trailed far behind with inflows worth $8.32 million. According to data from Farside, the inflows marked a 3-day streak of positive flows that commenced on September 26. Previous readings on September 27 indicate that FBTC outperformed BlackRock's IBIT by registering inflows worth $123.6 million. ARK and 21 Shares ARK and Bitwise's BIT are the only funds that saw negative flows on September 30. ARK registered outflows worth $9.50 million, ending its 2-day positive streak. The fund registered inflows worth $203.1 million and $113.8 million on September 27 and 26, respectively. Bitwise recorded outflows worth $9.67 million, which is a significant drop from September 27, when the fund saw inflows worth $12.9 million. Other funds, such as Grayscale's GBTC, Grayscale's Bitcoin, Van X HODL, and Valkyrie's BRRR, registered zero flows. The cumulative total net inflow of US spot Bitcoin ETF currently sits at $18.86 million. Bitcoin ETF currently hold digital assets worth $59.08 billion, which accounts for 4.69% of Bitcoin's market capitalization. US spot Ethereum ETF registered 823,000 in outflows. On the other hand, spot Ethereum ETF recorded daily total net outflows worth $822.29K on September 30. Only Blackrock's Ether registered net inflows. The fund recorded positive flows worth $10.99 million. Grayscale's ETH registered the only outflows across all 9 approved funds, worth $11.81 million, bringing the net outflows to $822.29K. Ethereum ETH's cumulative total net outflows currently sit at $527.79 million, according to ETF tracking website SasuValue. Other Ether ETF, such as Fidelity's FETH, VanXF, and Franklin's EZET, netted zero flows on September 30. Ethereum ETF registered positive flows on September 27, worth $58.65 million. Fidelity's FETH had been on a 3-day streak of positive flows starting September 25, according to Farside. The total net assets held under Ether ETH's custody represent 2.27% of Ethereum's market cap, which is approximately $7.14 billion. Recent investments by financial giants like BlackRock and Fidelity into Bitcoin ETF signal strong market confidence in Bitcoin. This surge can spark fear of missing out among retail investors. As Bitcoin gains attention and possibly rises in price, these investors might look for alternative assets with higher growth potential, turning their eyes to meme coins like Pepe. In bullish markets, there's a greater appetite for high-risk, high-reward investments. Meme coins fit this bill, offering chances for substantial short-term gains. Investors may allocate part of their portfolios to these speculative assets, hoping to capitalize on the momentum. As Bitcoin's price stabilizes after a surge, experienced investors often rotate their capital into higher-risk assets to seek better returns. This capital shift can lead to increased investment in meme coins. Additionally, traders who profit from Bitcoin might reinvest some of those gains into coins like Pepe, driving up their prices due to heightened buying pressure. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. This is what stands between Pepe and a new all-time high. The meme coin is currently hovering near critical levels, with the possibility of either a breakout or a continued struggle beneath its resistance points. Pepe faces profit-taking. Pepe's market value to realized value ratio at 33% currently sits in the danger zone. The area between 13% and 47% typically signals a heightened risk of corrections. This is because, at these levels, a large number of investors are in profit, which could lead to widespread selling. When profits become abundant, investors often move to lock in gains, putting downward pressure on the price. This potential selling pressure is something Pepe investors should keep in mind, as corrections become more likely when the MVRV ratio reaches these levels. If profit-taking accelerates, it could further solidify the resistance, making it harder for the meme coin to break through. Pepe's macro momentum also shows concerning signals. Historical data on active addresses indicates that 37% of participating investors are currently in profit. This percentage is worrisome because when more than 25% of investors are in the green, the chances of profit-taking rise sharply. These conditions, combined with the MVRV ratio, suggest that a significant portion of the market may be preparing to sell, limiting Pepe's ability to gain ground. This strong presence of profitable investors reinforces the likelihood of short-term corrections. If enough holders choose to sell, Pepe could face consolidation instead of the breakout many investors are hoping for. Pepe price prediction: all-time high is away. Pepe is currently trading at 1,118 units, sitting just under a local resistance level of 1,146 units. While breaking this resistance is possible, a rise beyond 1,369 units appears unlikely given current market conditions. Pepe's struggle against this resistance has persisted for 4 months, and overcoming it will be no easy feat. The resistance at 1,369 units is the key level preventing Pepe from forming a new all-time high above 1,725 units. With numerous investors positioned to take profits, breaking through this barrier will be a challenge. If Pepe fails to surpass 1,369 units, it will likely remain consolidated between this resistance and 989 units for the foreseeable future. However, a rally could follow if Pepe manages to breach 1,369 units under bullish circumstances. This breakout would invalidate the current bearish outlook and potentially reignite optimism among investors. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1000x potential altcoins.